One of the students asked me, sir, can you go through this question? This is for AS Mathematics. The question says, find the values for k for which the equation is the following. And the most important here, we're going to extract has two real roots. Okay, has two real roots. So what we're going to do here is we are going to deal with it straight away. When we hear the word real roots, straight away you should be checking b squared minus 4ac, three situations. Okay, where we have it's greater than 0, less than 0, or equals to 0. The real roots is going to be greater than 0. So let's write the formula. So k plus 3 x squared plus 6x plus k minus 5 is equal to 0. Now b squared minus 4ac is equals to 0. Therefore we can say that our b is going to be 6. So we're going to have 6 squared, and because it is real roots, we're going to have to change this to greater than 0. Greater than 0. Now 6 squared minus 4 open brackets a, which is going to be k plus 3, close bracket, and k minus 5, and again greater than 0. Now expanding and simplifying gives us 6 squared minus 4 open brackets k squared minus 2k minus 15 is greater than 0, and then solving that would give me, simplifying it further, 6 squared minus 4k squared plus 8k plus 60. Sorry, plus 60. And now we finish it off to get it more simplified. So we have now minus 4k squared, again that's greater than 0, plus 8k and 36, add that off 6 squared, that will give me 6 squared plus 60. 6 squared plus 60 is equals to 96, and that is greater than 0. We can reduce this quadratic by dividing everything by 4, so we're left with negative k squared plus 2k, and 96 divided by 4 is going to be 24. It's greater than 0. Straight away we can imagine we times everything by minus 1, but please put a sign on the original inequality because that's going to help us drawing it. So imagine I times everything by negative 1, I'll get the following. I'll have k squared minus 2k minus 24, and that I'll say it's equal to 0 for now. Let it equal to 0. So solving this, we get the following. When we factorize, we get, think about two numbers that times to get negative 24, but add to have minus 2, and that is going to be the following. So it's going to be 2 brackets opening, so 2 brackets, x minus 6 and x minus 4, x plus 4 is equal to 0. So we have the roots x equals 6 and x equals negative 4. So now we have the roots, we can plot our curve, but because we have the roots, we have to go back to the original equation. The original equation is a negative. Remember the shape of a negative? It's a sad face because it's negative. So we're going to try to draw the curve so that it's a negative. So it's going to be something like that. Then we see it is greater than 0. Greater than 0. That means we are going to deal with all the values that are at the top of the hill, or the top of the quadratic. So all these values are what we mean by greater than 0. So we write it as minus 4 is less than x, which is less than 6. And these are the values of k which satisfy. So please, can you look at this and if there's any issues, any problems, please contact me in class and we'll go through it. Thank you so much for watching, and toodles as always.